Good morning to you all. Welcome to Option Achievers channel. Today we are going to see about Fibonacci series. I don't know how many of you people are using Fibonacci series in your trading, but this is one of the numbers that we use in Fibonacci series. For example, in Fibonacci series, 0, 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, 100. This is how we do a Fibonacci series or Fibonacci retracements. This Fibonacci series trading, we can easily use it when a stock continuously goes up and when it takes a U-turn or reverse trend, how much the reverse trend will continue. For that kind of retracements, we will be using this Fibonacci series. Can we believe only Fibonacci series? It's not like only Fibonacci series. Apart from Fibonacci series, we use other indicators as well, like daily support and resistance. All those things we will be using it. What are the possible usage that we can use in this Fibonacci series is just for an example, if a stocks grows from 0 rupees to 100 rupees, and in case if it takes a reverse trend, possibly the stock can go down till 61.8. That is a minimum support level that it can go. After that it may bounce back to 100, something like this. So this is something that you can rely on, but apart from Fibonacci series, try to use other indicators as well. Now everybody is asking the question of Nifty 50 index. Will it fall down continuously or where it will take a support? So for example, for the Nifty 50 index chart, I have taken the Fibonacci retracement from 0 to 100 level. On March 23rd, it hit the least level, and somewhere else the highest level you can see in the graph, somewhere else around in September. So March 23rd is a 0 and this September is 100. If you put a 0 to 100 chart, you can see that the first support level is at 10,779, and exactly at this point, the first level, it hit the resistance level or support level. After that, it bounced back with a green candle. It did not break 10,779. So the first support is working very well for this Nifty. Unless this 10,779 is broken with a single red candle, we can believe that Nifty will trade above 10,780. That is the first support level for the Nifty. In case if it breaks, the next support level will be 10,164. And likewise, it keeps on going downwards. You can see the 50% level is 9,660. Then 61.8, it comes around 9,171. And 0.786, it comes around 8,464. The lowest level that hit on March 23rd is 7,563. So as of now, Nifty is taking a very good support at the first support level, 10,780. So this we can keep as one psychological moment. We can also use other support and resistance level that we get with the pivot levels also. So Fibonacci series along with pivot levels, if you take combined together, then we can come to a conclusion. So market will be trading above this level, and we will be using these levels for monthly option sellings or weekly option sellings. So mainly we are taking the support and resistance levels for option sellings. So if you put a sell order beyond these points or something, you will be little safe. Now for the same Fibonacci retracement, that we can take it for Bank Nifty also. If you see, the Bank Nifty has reached a minimum level around 16,639, and from there in September it reached the highest as 25,138. So if you make it 0 to 100, then the first support level is 23,132, and that support level was broken with a single red candle. It did not give any false breakout. The next support level is 21,891. That support level also broken with a single red candle in a single day. Now the another support level, which is at 50%, that is 20,888, which is just broken, and the next day it was trying to reach the same level. So this is the crucial level that we see in the Bank Nifty. Ideally, after breaking with a single red candle, it may not go with a positive trend. Most likely it will be going in a sideway, or it will be trading in the negative trend itself for Bank Nifty as per the Fibonacci series. Of course, apart from Fibonacci series, we take some other support level also, because we see in the Nifty 50 it is trading above the support level. So when Nifty is going with positive, the similar positive pull may affect Nifty Bank also. So in that case, Nifty Bank also may move a little above. So if you combine together, then the coming day will be a crucial day, because you have to watch out whether it is trading above 28,888, or it is trading below 28,888. This is going to be a very crucial level for us. If it goes above, yeah, we can believe that it is going to be positive. If it comes below, then we are going to say that this is going to be a negative trend. So watch this level 28,888 as a crucial level for any carry forward positions or intraday positions. Okay. So if you have any doubts on Fibonacci series, please let me know in the comments. For more and more videos, please subscribe the channel. After clicking the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. If you like the video, click the like button. Share the video with your friends. If you have any comments, please put your comments in the comment section. See you all in the next good video. Thank you. Bye-bye.